Hello, this is the Wi-Fi camera, and you can see everybody just collect the form here, and here, and there is the wireless magnet with battery here. There is the 9600 battery, and now we can taste it. Distance for it, okay. And our guy can taste in the distance of this camera, and this one is super easy to use, and our camera should give a Wi-Fi signal, and we just use the phone app to connect this camera, and you can see the distance here. As we tasting the battery, you can use more than 12 hours, no stops, and it takes about 5 hours to full charge this battery. You can see the distance. Our guys over there, you can see. And as you can see from the video, the distance is about like 120 meters, and we still have a signal here. You can see a guy is over there. It's quite a known distance here. Okay, now the signal is off. Okay.
就在那个位置好像就
Yeah,
发出来。
yeah. Yeah, you can see the distance. And we have the signal now again. It's really quite known distance to use. Very convenient, and you don't even need a monitor for it. Just connect it with the phone.
也没有说延时啊。